everyone, this is me Bianca and welcome to my channel. So for this vlog, we're gonna be talking about mood boards. Yes, it's another online lesson. But before we head on to our lesson, don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. At kung nakasubscribe ka naman na, thank you sa pagbalik. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell button para wala kang ma-miss sa mga upcoming lessons, tutorials, and vlogs natin. So, let's go! Okay, so first things first, ano ba yung mood board? Mood board is a visual representation of your ideas. It's a collage consisting of images, text, or any sample objects in a composition. It can be based upon a set topic. So, kumbaga, it's an inspiration that you use to create your design. Okay, so ano ba yung purpose ng mood board? Actually, mood board can serve many purposes. Isa na doon yung para ma-organize mo yung mga elements or yung mga ideas mo na gagamitin mo sa project mo. And then, another thing, mood boards help you keep the style that you have chosen for the design na ika-create mo. Also, para maging yung aesthetic ng design mo ay consistent. So, yun. And sino ba yung mga gumagamit ng mood boards? Mood boards usually are used by graphic designers, web designers, interior designers, and other creative artists. And regarding naman sa types ng mood boards, meron tayong yung tinatawag na traditional at meron naman yung digital. So, ano ba yung traditional? Yung traditional mood boards, kumbaga gawa yun sa ginagamitan talaga ng foam board, tapos yun, nagka-cut ka ng mga elements or yung mga, kumbaga, nilalagay mo dun sa foam board na yun kung ano talaga yung mga sa tingin mo na elements na gagamitin mo dun sa design mo. At isa naman is digital kasi diba ngayon naman, usually we use computers, we use internet, so kumbaga mas madali na ngayon ang digital and usually yun na talaga yung ginagamit ngayon ng mga creative artists. And saan ba gumagawa ng mood boards? So ako personally, dalawang software or platform lang yung pinagagawan ko ng mood board. So, isa na nga is yung Adobe Photoshop and then pangalawa is yung Canva. But then, there are other online platforms na you can use for free to create your own mood boards. Okay, so that's it. And I hope na before ka gumawa ng mga next design mo, I encourage you to use mood boards kasi it will help you with the flow of your project kasi kumbaga hindi ka na kung yung pa-stop dun sa pagde-design mo na mag-iisip ka kung ano ilalagay mong font or yung color na gagamitin mo kasi with the mood board, if you have a prepared mood board or you have created the mood board, kumbaga madali mong matatapos yung project kasi naka-outline na. Yung kumbaga visually naka-outline na, and at the same time, let's say may client ka, diba sabi nga nila, minsan words are not enough kasi to convey our messages. So, a visual representation is a perfect way to showcase your ideas sa clients mo or dun sa pagpapresentan mo ng design project mo. So, that's it. And I hope this lesson helps you to design more, create more designs by using a mood board. And if you like this lesson, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget again to subscribe on my channel para wala kami miss sa mga upcoming lessons and tutorials. So again, this is Bianca. Bye!